If you suspected a virus on your Windows 11 PC, follow these steps to check for it and remove it. Windows 11 comes with a Windows Security Defender, which is a decent for detecting and removing viruses. First thing, you have to click Start, type Windows Security, then open it. Go Virus and Threat Protection, click Quick Scan to check for threats. If nothing is found, but you still suspect a virus, click Scan Options, choose Full Scan and run it. Some malware hides itself during normal operations. Safe mode disable unnecessary programs, making it easier to remove infections. Press Windows +R, type msconfig and hit Enter. Go to Boot tab, click Safe Boot, then select Minimum. You start your PC, it will boot into safe mode. Run Windows Security, then do the full scan. If a virus detected, follow the prompt to remove it. Windows 11 included built-in malware removal tools called Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool, MRT. Press Windows +R, type MRT, then hit Enter. Click Next, then select a full scan for deep check. Wait for the scan to complete. If any threats is found, follow the prompts to remove them. This tool helps you detect and remove specific widespread malware that might be missed by other scans. If you try all these scans and nothing works yet, you can use the third-party antivirus. If Windows Security doesn't detect anything, you can try this malware removal tool. They are free to use. You can check Task Manager for suspicious processes. Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any process with weird names or high CPU usage. If you find something suspicious, right-click, then open the file location. If it's in sketchy folder, not in C: folder or program files under Windows or program files, it might be a malware. Right-click and choose End Task, then delete the file. Delete any suspicious startup programs. After you open the Task Manager, Control-Shift and Escape, go to Startup tab. Disable anything unfamiliar or unnecessary. This is the last step, the last resort. You need to reset your Windows if nothing works and your PC still acts weird. Reset Windows by going to Settings, System, Recovery, then click on Reset this PC. You can choose to keep your files or remove everything. That should wipe out any viruses in your system and come with a clean Windows. Let me know in the comment below which way worked for you and if you find any viruses in your system. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.